Welcome to the instructional video on how to use the Apple Express Mobile Connect for on-demand brokers when doing an installation. First, log in using your driver ID and your PIN and click on Login. Tap on the On-Demand folder and then New Orders. We are looking for the install order, as you can see with this icon. Clicking on the order opens the details about the order and any special instructions. This one says that the tech must be on site at 9 a.m. and the parts are on site and tools required are pliers. You can click on Accept to accept the order from the screen. Go to the Accepted tab at the top and then you will find the orders. On that order, swipe to the left and then select Navigate. This will open Google Maps so that you can drive to the first location, which is at Apple Express, to pick up the parts for the installation. Once you have arrived at the location, go back to the order and click on Pick Up. This will open the Scan Parts screen where you will need to scan the good working parts, and you can see the part number and serial number on the screen. Tap on the first part to open the scanner. It will ask you to scan the serial or LPN number. If you are not able to scan the correct code, it will show this error message. So make sure that you have the correct barcode and it's aligned to the scanner. You can tap on the second part, or you can swipe to the left and it will give you the option to enter the number manually or scan. So for training purposes, I'm going to enter it manually. That's 44000 and hit Submit and click on Done. If the geofencing message shows up, simply click on Refresh My Location. The parts are now ready to be brought to the location, and I can see that I'm going to Sarnia. I'm going to click to navigate and open Google Maps, and then drive to the location to complete the installation. Once you have arrived, you can update the status on the current screen or go back to the list of orders under Picked Up and swipe to the left and then tap on Arrive on Site. This will open the scanner so that I can scan the good parts while at the location and scan the barcodes. Then it will ask me for the install confirmation. So for each part, tap on Select Status. You can update to successful or unsuccessful. And you can also update the status by tapping on the Select Status and then confirming the confirmed status will pop up at the bottom. Then click on Next. It will now ask you for the recipient name and the signature. Once done, you can go to the bottom and click on Done. Now, if the geofencing message comes up again, just click on Refresh My Location. That order is done already and it won't be on your list of orders anymore. Now, just to give you an example of what an unsuccessful installation would look like, let's look at what the reasons are. So, you've scanned all the parts and you are now on the installation confirmation screen. So let's do one that is successful, and then for the second one, let's select unsuccessful. The reasons for an unsuccessful installation are connectivity or ISP router issue, wrong parts ordered by client, waiting for merchant or client, waiting for client callback, or DOA. Fast forward, it'll go through the same process in asking you for the recipient name and the signature. And you can see the summary on the one successful and the unsuccessful parts installation for this order. Congratulations! You have just finished the installation for On Demand Brokers.